Hi everybody, it's Swails here. It is Sunday, November 10th, and this is your weather update. And in fact, it's a winter weather update. Despite the fact we got ourselves a beautiful day going out there today, wintry weather moves back into the Midwest in earnest during the day on Monday. But before I get there, I got big plans for today. My 9-year-old daughter and my wife and I are heading to the theater to watch Freebirds. If you haven't heard, that's where these turkeys figure out how to get another food put on the table besides themselves. That should be pretty interesting. We're fired up for that action. And then also, I got this to show you too. This is the anniversary of the great Armistice Day blizzard of 1940, one of the most severe winter storms to ever strike the United States. Particularly interesting about that is how early in the season the storm took place. A tremendous blizzard blew across Iowa, northwestern Iowa, and up into Minnesota and parts of Wisconsin, and caught people unprepared. The picture you're looking at there is of Minneapolis. I think that's Excelsior Boulevard, and the snow is up to the top of the cars. 60, 70 mile per hour winds and up to 2 feet of snow in parts of northwestern Minneapolis. Just an incredible snow event for them. Other places, not so much snow, but a lot of wind and dramatically cold temperatures. And this was the opening day of duck hunting season. All kinds of duck hunters out on the Mississippi River, and without television and the weather reports we have today, a lot of people unprepared for the event, and the duck hunters were stranded by the abrupt change in the cold temperatures and the wind, and rain changed to snow, and some of the guys could not get back to shore and tried to wait it out by building fires on the rivers or doing whatever they could to stay warm. Unfortunately, at least 50 duck hunters froze to death, and you can see the picture there of a couple that were found up in southeastern Minnesota. So a tremendous storm, and obviously very bad ramifications from that. Now our own system coming into the Midwest in the next couple of days is associated with a strong Arctic cold front. That'll be hitting early on Monday, and then it'll move on through the southeastern United States, and boy is that going to have an impact on our temperatures. We're going to start the day pretty mild as we get towards our Monday, but by afternoon, falling temperatures and strong northwest winds should be accompanied by some snow showers, and we're getting indications now that there's going to be enough snow that we may be able to whiten things up just a touch. I don't think anything more than an inch, but a half an inch to an inch of snow would be a possibility. And what you're looking at here is the GFS surface plot, and this was around 2 o'clock in the afternoon then on Monday. It has some light blue indicated across eastern Iowa, northern Illinois. That's where snow showers will be ongoing, and winds out of the north-northeast should be up there around 30 miles per hour. So not going to be a pleasant day, that's for sure. Here's the GFS snowfall forecast. It has about a half an inch on the Quad Cities. I did see the European. It was actually a little more bullish, about an inch. But all the area across Iowa, northern Illinois, and the Great Lakes, snow showers are expected as the cold air gets established. Speaking of the cold air, take a look at this. This is the temperature anomaly on Wednesday, and these high temperatures that we're looking at across the Midwest, anywhere from 15 to 20 degrees below what's typical at this time of year. So that's a major shot of cold air. And here's the actual high temperatures for Tuesday, and you can see right around 32, 33 degrees for the high temperature, way below the normals, which are still up around 50 degrees. And we'll take it one step further here, and these are the low temperatures that are anticipated on Wednesday morning, and I expect temps to be in the upper teens across much of eastern Iowa and western Illinois. So exceptionally cold temperatures for this early in the season. Not record breakers, but awful cold. And of course, there's going to be a little wind going on with this thing too. And by Tuesday morning, some of the wind chills in our area expected to be around 0 to plus 10. That is definitely going to get your attention. The big winter coats will be in order around the area come Tuesday morning. So that's your weather briefing for this Sunday. Have a good one out there. And, as always, roll weather.